A metallic rotary base, commonly known as Lazy Susan, is a mechanism that allows us match two surfaces to get a rotational movement between these two surfaces. We can see examples of this in chairs, tables, or bases for cake decoration. There are different sizes and shapes, but the correct way to choose is based on how much weight can handle. In this video is going to be shown the process to install it. The first step is trace two perpendicular lines on the fixed surface where the base is going to be mounted. This surface can be a table, chair, or another piece of furniture. These crossed lines are going to be used for centering the rotary base. Once the base is correctly centered with the lines, 4 points will be marked, one per each corner of the base, then we move the base to drill the holes marked. Now we are going to do the same with the other surface that is going to rotate. On this surface we will mark the same two perpendicular lines and the 4 points for drilling. Additionally, an extra dot will be needed. This one is going to be of double diameter from the rest. In general, we have 5 points on this surface, 4 of the same size and another bigger. To begin with installation, our base will be mounted to the rotatory surface using 4 screws according to the size of the holes. Once we have our base installed to the rotatory surface, this mechanism will be fitted to the fixed surface, passing each screw through the extra hole made on the top surface. When a screw is correctly fitted, rotate the base to use the same hole and pass the next one. In this way you will have finished the installation. On the description of this video, you will find the link for the 3D model used in this presentation and the web page where you can purchase different types of rotary base online.